Belize, a small nation nestled in Central America, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This country, though small in size, is vast in its offerings, presenting a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. It is a treasure trove of natural wonders, where every corner reveals a new marvel. From the dense jungles teeming with life to the serene beaches that stretch along its coastline, Belize is a paradise for nature lovers. This beautiful country boasts lush rainforests that are home to countless species of flora and fauna. The stunning coral reefs, part of the second-largest barrier reef system in the world, are a diver's dream, offering a glimpse into an underwater world brimming with vibrant marine life. Beyond its natural beauty, Belize is also rich in culture. The country's cultural tapestry is woven from the threads of its diverse population, including the Maya, Mestizo, Garifuna, and Creole communities. Each group brings its own traditions, music, dance, and cuisine, creating a vibrant and dynamic cultural landscape. One of Belize's most iconic natural features is the Great Blue Hole, a giant marine sinkhole that attracts divers from around the world. From the depths of the Great Blue Hole, where divers can explore its mysterious underwater caverns, to the heights of ancient Mayan temples that stand as silent sentinels of a bygone era, Belize offers a journey through time and nature. For the adventurous traveler, Belize is a playground of possibilities. Whether it's exploring the dense jungles, snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters, or hiking through the lush rainforests, every adventure promises unforgettable memories. Let us embark on a journey to discover the magic that awaits in this captivating corner of the world. Each step taken in Belize is a step closer to nature, history, and the heart of a vibrant culture. Belize's heart beats to the rhythm of nature. The jungles are alive with the calls of exotic wildlife, and the forests echo with the sounds of life. The air is alive with the sounds of exotic bird song, a symphony of nature that enchants and captivates. The scent of vibrant flowers fills the warm breeze, adding a fragrant note to the sensory experience of exploring Belize. Crystal-clear rivers wind their way through dense jungle, offering a serene and picturesque setting for kayaking and other water activities. These rivers and jungles are home to a dazzling array of wildlife, from colorful birds and butterflies to elusive jaguars and howler monkeys. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with the natural world, Belize has something truly special to offer. The country's diverse landscapes and rich biodiversity provide endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Visitors can immerse themselves in unique experiences, from exploring ancient ruins to relaxing on pristine beaches, all while enjoying the warm hospitality of the Belizean people. Prepare to be captivated by the dazzling colors of Belize's coral reefs. These underwater gardens are a haven for snorkelers and divers, offering a glimpse into a world teeming with life and color. Dive into a world teeming with marine life where every dive reveals new wonders. From the smallest coral polyps to the largest fish, the reefs are alive with activity. Encounter graceful rays gliding through the water and playful dolphins dancing in the waves. The marine life in Belize is as diverse as it is abundant, offering endless opportunities for discovery. Explore ancient caves once used by the Maya civilization, where the walls whisper tales of a time long past. These caves are not only geological wonders but also historical treasures, offering a glimpse into the lives of the ancient Maya. Inside these caves, you can find ancient cave paintings and artifacts that tell the story of a civilization that once thrived in this region. Each artifact and painting is a piece of the puzzle that makes up Belize's rich history. Belize is a place where history, culture, and nature intertwine, creating an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. The country's cultural landmarks and historical sites offer a window into its past, while its natural beauty provides a stunning backdrop for exploration. As the sun sets over the beaches of Belize, casting a golden glow over the landscape, you'll find yourself reflecting on the incredible journey you've experienced. Belize is a place that stays with you long after you've left its shores, a jewel of nature that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. No trip to Belize is complete without a visit to the awe-inspiring Great Blue Hole. This natural wonder is not just a sight to behold, but an experience that etches itself into your memory forever. This natural wonder, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a giant marine sinkhole visible from space. Its perfectly circular shape and deep blue color make it a striking contrast against the lighter blue of the surrounding shallow waters. Divers from around the globe flock here to experience its ethereal beauty. The anticipation builds as you prepare to dive into this underwater marvel, knowing that you are about to explore one of the most unique dive sites in the world. As you descend into the depths of this underwater chasm, a sense of wonder washes over you. The light from above begins to fade and you are enveloped in a serene, almost otherworldly silence. The water changes color, shifting from bright turquoise to a deep, mysterious blue. This transition is mesmerizing, as if you are crossing a threshold into a hidden realm. The walls of the sinkhole are adorned with stalactites, formed over millennia when the cave was still above sea level. These ancient formations tell a story of geological transformation and the passage of time. Schools of fish shimmer in the sunlight, filtering through the water. Their movements are synchronized, creating a living tapestry of color and motion. Nurse sharks and giant groupers glide effortlessly through the depths. These majestic creatures add to the sense of awe, reminding you of the diversity and richness of marine life that calls this place home. Diving in the Great Blue Hole is an experience like no other. The deeper you go, the more you feel connected to the ancient history and natural beauty that surrounds you. It's a journey into a world of silence and wonder, a chance to witness the power and beauty of nature's artistry. The tranquility of the underwater environment allows you to reflect on the magnificence of the natural world. As you resurface, you carry with you the memory of this underwater kingdom, a reminder of the hidden treasures that lie beneath the surface. The Great Blue Hole is not just a dive site, it's a testament to the wonders of our planet, a place where the past and present converge in a breathtaking display of nature's grandeur. The experience doesn't end when you leave the water. The panoramic views of the Great Blue Hole from above, especially during sunset, are equally captivating. The golden hues of the setting sun cast a magical glow over the water, creating a perfect ending to an unforgettable adventure. The local guides and divers often share stories of their experiences, adding a personal touch to your visit. Their passion and knowledge about the Great Blue Hole enhance your understanding and appreciation of this natural wonder. Efforts to preserve and protect the Great Blue Hole are ongoing. Conservation initiatives aim to maintain the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem, ensuring that future generations can also marvel at its beauty. Whether you are an experienced diver or a first-time visitor, the Great Blue Hole offers something for everyone. Snorkeling, diving, or simply taking in the view from a boat, each experience is a chance to connect with nature in a profound way. The Great Blue Hole is more than just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of the ocean, a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty and mystery of the natural world. It's a reminder of the incredible wonders that our planet holds, waiting to be discovered and cherished. Venturing inland, we find ourselves immersed in the heart of Belize's lush jungles. Here, ancient Mayan cities lie hidden beneath a canopy of emerald green. These ruins whisper tales of a civilization that once thrived in this region, their towering pyramids and intricately carved temples a testament to their ingenuity. Step back in time as you explore sites like Caracol, Xunantunich, and Lamanai. Climb to the top of towering pyramids, feeling the weight of history beneath your feet. Imagine the bustling city that once surrounded these majestic structures, the sounds of daily life echoing through the plazas. The jungle has reclaimed much of these ancient cities, vines and roots intertwining with the stonework. This fusion of nature and human artistry creates an atmosphere of mystery and wonder. As you wander through these archaeological treasures, you can't help but feel a sense of awe at the legacy of the Maya civilization. Belize is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, boasting an incredible diversity of flora and fauna. This small Central American country is a treasure trove of natural wonders, where the lush tropical forests are alive with the sounds and sights of nature. From the dense jungle canopy to the vibrant undergrowth, every inch of Belize's wilderness is teeming with life. The country's protected areas are home to jaguars, tapirs, monkeys, and hundreds of bird species. These sanctuaries provide a safe haven for some of the most iconic and endangered species in the region. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the sheer variety of avian life, from colorful toucans to majestic harpy eagles. The forests echo with the calls of these birds, creating a symphony of natural sounds. Whether you explore the jungle canopy, cruise along tranquil rivers, or venture into caves adorned with bat colonies, every encounter with nature in Belize is an unforgettable experience. The jungle canopy tours offer a bird's-eye view of the forest, allowing you to see the intricate web of life from above. River cruises provide a peaceful way to observe wildlife along the water's edge, while the caves reveal a hidden world of stalactites, stalagmites, and nocturnal creatures. In the Coxcomb Basin Wildlife Sanctuary, you might catch a glimpse of the elusive jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas. This sanctuary is one of the best places in the world to see these magnificent predators in their natural habitat. Jaguars are solitary and elusive, making sightings rare and special. The sanctuary's dense forests and winding trails offer the perfect environment for these big cats to thrive. Hike through the rainforest, listening to the symphony of bird calls. The trails wind through a variety of ecosystems, from dense jungle to open savanna, each with its own unique flora and fauna. As you walk, you'll be surrounded by the sights and sounds of the forest, from the rustling of leaves to the distant calls of howler monkeys. Every step is an opportunity to discover something new and exciting. Keep an eye out for howler monkeys swinging through the trees, their calls echoing through the jungle. These primates are known for their loud, distinctive calls, which can be heard for miles around. Watching them swing effortlessly from branch to branch is a mesmerizing sight, showcasing their agility and strength. The howler monkeys are just one of the many fascinating creatures that call Belize's forests home. Along the Belize Barrier Reef, the second largest barrier reef system in the world, you'll encounter a kaleidoscope of marine life. This underwater paradise is a haven for divers and snorkelers, offering a chance to explore vibrant coral gardens and encounter a diverse array of sea creatures. The reef's crystal-clear waters provide excellent visibility, making it easy to spot everything from tiny reef fish to large pelagic species. Snorkel or dive among colorful coral gardens, swimming alongside sea turtles, rays, and countless species of fish. The reef is home to an incredible variety of marine life, from the smallest invertebrates to the largest fish. Sea turtles glide gracefully through the water while rays move with an almost otherworldly elegance. The coral gardens themselves are a riot of color and life, with each coral colony hosting its own unique community of organisms. Belize's waters are teeming with life, offering a glimpse into a vibrant underwater world. The reef's diverse ecosystems support a wide range of species, making it one of the most biodiverse marine environments on the planet. Whether you're an experienced diver or a first-time snorkeler, the underwater world of Belize is sure to leave you in awe. From the smallest nudibranch to the largest whale shark, every encounter is a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet's oceans.